Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the difference between disinterested and uninterested. I have seen so many people who interchangeably use these two words. But there is a big difference between these two words. So let's learn the difference today. Yes. Disinterested means when a person is unbiased, when a person is not partial, when a person is not taking sides. For example, we are looking for two disinterested people who can judge this competition. Why? Because these two people will not be biased. They will not take side of any particular team. So they will give honest opinion. Disinterested. Okay. Not partial, not biased, not taking sides. Fine? Disinterested. Now let's go to uninterested. Uninterested means not taking interest. Like husbands, they generally don't take interest in what their wives are saying. So uninterested means a person is not taking interest. For example, I used to cook a lot, but now I am uninterested in cooking. So now I'm not taking interest in it. I'm bored of it. Every day same routine. Getting it? Now I hope you will not forget what's the difference between these two words. Hope you have understood it. Thanks a lot. This is Anushree signing off.